Monitoring losses is a fundamental part of harvesting. You can control your losses quickly from the dashboard in your armrest or from the dedicated view of InfoPlus. Nonetheless, the best way to estimate your losses is controlling on the ground. It might happen sometimes that there might be a mismatch between the losses actually found on the ground and those detected from the machine sensors. In this case, it's fundamental to adjust the sensor sensitivity. To do that, from the home screen, click on the icon with the combine on the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the combine main menu, select the performance icon. In this view, you will see the standard funnels representing the loss volume. The first one, starting from the top, shows the rotor losses. With the gauge right below, you can adjust the sensitivity of the sensors on the rotors. The second funnels are showing instead the sieve losses, and with the gauge right below, you can adjust the sensitivity of the sensors on the sieves. Check the maximum acceptable loss level and set the sensitivity. Click on the boxes and adjust the sensitivity using the scroll wheel on the monitor keypad. Use higher sensitivity for small grains like canola or wheat, and lower sensitivity for large grains like corn or soybean. Target is to have the acceptable loss level in the gray zone. Remember that yellow means warning, losses are increasing, and red means level is too high.